We'll be using 2 liters of clean water in today's production, followed by caustic soda 180 grams, soda ash be using 100 grams, fragrance 20 ml, calcium carbonate 150 grams, sodium sulfate 150 grams. Oil color is optional. You can choose to add or not to add color. Then we'll be using 1 liter of oil. Then we use 2 types of oil, tallow 400 grams, followed by PKO 600 grams. Total oil we'll be using 1 liter. Foam booster 200 ml. Then prepare your mold before your production. Choose any mode of your choice. Do you know you can actually make more profit in soap production using less oil and more water without reducing the quality of your soap? In this video, I will show you the exact formula and step-by-step process that make your soap foaming, strong and cost effective. Grab your jotter and pen. Stay with me till the end. Let's continue. The first step is to warm 1 liter of clean water, then added it into my mixing bowl. Warm water added to my mixing bowl, then followed by adding my soda ash into the warm water. The warm water is around 40 degrees centigrade, then followed by my sodium sulfate. Do you know sodium sulfate is a filler and also a cost reducer? Since it's cheap, it helps soap makers lower production costs and increase profit margin. And the next ingredient I'll be adding is my calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a filler and also hardener. It helps the soap bar becomes firmer and less soluble in water, so it does not dissolve too quickly. It also improve texture of soap. It makes it smoother and easier to cut or mold during production. Stir it together very well and set it aside. Then get another mixing bowl that is bigger enough to contain all the production. Here is my whisk and my mixing bowl. The next step is adding my PKO and my tallow oil into my mixing bowl. When mix tallow and PKO together, they balance each other weakness. PKO provide foam plus cleansing. Tallow provide creaminess and mildness. Together they produce a soap that is hard and long lasting, also cost effective. And the next thing I'll be adding is my color. Color is an optional. I just want to add a little yellow color into it. You can choose to add your color, and if you like, you can choose not to add color to it. I added oil color. Color, you can add it to your taste. I add and I stir it together with the oil. Then I added my fragrance. Fragrance, I add 20 ml. As I add it, I stir it together. This is a beginner-friendly formula. So even if you have not made soap before, just follow the procedure. Take your paper, jot it down, get all your ingredients, and rewatch this video again. Follow every step, and you will see that soap is very easy to make. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. By now, you could have prepared your caustic soda into the 1 liter of clean water that is remaining. So here is my lye solution. Lye solution, I mix 180 grams of caustic soda into 1 liter of clean water. Let the temperature of your oil, the temperature of your caustic soda, which is lye solution, and even the other solution, let it be the same level. So the temperature, now we are using warm oil, warm caustic soda, and also warm soda ash, sulfate, and calcium solution. So as I added my caustic soda, which is lye solution, into my oil, and I continue mixing it. Lye solution mixing together with oil forms soap. Pass through a process called saponification. So I make sure I stir my oil and lye solution together very well until I see that there's no separation between it before adding the next ingredient. Remember, this is our soda ash, sodium sulfate, and calcium carbonate solution. I added it into the oil and lye solution already mixed. Then I stir it together. At this point, mixing is very, very important. You need to mix it together vigorously. Mix it very well until all the ingredients combine. If you mix it well, your soap will not shrink. Mixing will help your soap also to lather well. So you need to do the mixing at this stage before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient I added is my foam booster. You can also add silicate 200 ml into your production. So stir gently at this point in order to avoid unnecessary foaming. So I continue stirring it gently. You know, we are having a very light trace, but as we continue stirring, it will get thick in no time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also turn on your notification bell in order to get notified whenever we drop amazing video like this. I continue stirring it. If you look at the batter now, you will see that it's getting thicker. You can see that we are seeing the traces of the batter around the mixing bowl. So you can also see it now that is getting thick. Now the soap is ready to go into the mold. Already prepare your mold before your production. I've added my soap batter into my mold. If you want me to teach you how you can use these PVC types of mold, kindly just drop it in my comments so that when I made the hot process of this same production, I will show exactly how I make use or prepare this mold for soap. Drop it in the comment section. And if you also want me to make the hot process of this same formula, kindly drop it in the comment section, and that will be the next soap that will be making hot process of high water less oil. This is a soap after 24 hours. You can see how beautiful it came out. It came out beautifully and it's very, very easy to unmold. So I unmold my soap, then I start cutting it immediately. The soap is so beautiful and it's strong as well. So if you follow it from the beginning, you did not skip it while washing it, you will also arrive at this same point. You can see that with lesser oil and high water, it will give you more profit. Imagine making all this soap with just 1 liter of oil. So let's test the foam level of the soap. Just immediately after 24 hours of making the soap, you can see how creamy, how foaming it is. It lathers very, very well. I hope you have learned something in today's production. If so, give this video a thumb up, share, comment, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell. It will get to notify you when we drop another amazing tutorial just like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.